So I shook my knees and I spun that cap. She clapped right back like she knew the map. Do it again.